Hello everyone, hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to create ChromeOS Flex installation media on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you want to install ChromeOS on other devices, then you can simply create ChromeOS Flex installation media and you can use that bootable pen drive to install it. Now to create the bootable pen drive, simply click on App Launcher icon and here look for Web Store, click on it and it will open the Chrome Web Store page. Or else you can simply open Google Chrome browser and visit chromewebstore.google.com. And here on the search, type ChromeOS Recovery. And from the search result, simply select Chromebook Recovery Utility. Or else you can directly visit this link. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. After that, click on Add to Chrome. And here click on Add Extension. Once it get added, simply click on this extension icon and open Chromebook Recovery Utility. Let me minimize the browser. So here we have the utility to create the installation media. For that, click on Get Started. Click on Select Model from the list and from the Manufacturer dropdown, select Google ChromeOS Flex. And from the product drop-down, select ChromeOS Flex. Now click on Continue. After that, insert USB flash drive or any SD card to your Chromebook. And from the drop-down menu, simply select the drive. Then click on Continue. And here we get Create a Recovery Image option. Make sure to back up all your important data from the pen drive, as this process will delete all the data from your pen drive. Now to create, simply click on Create Now button and wait for the process to complete. Once the process has been completed, simply click on Done. Now you are ready to use the bootable pen drive to install ChromeOS Flex on any older devices. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.